Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve stuck on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve stuck on Facebook, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to Facebook app. Then you will enter to force stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.